Welcome to the channel. We got the Gozney Roccbox fired up. We're going to do a simple yet delicious cheese pizza. We have some sourdough balls. They've been proofing for a few hours. They're about anywhere from 225 grams to about 250 grams. We're going to be making 10 to 12 inch pizzas. What I'm doing right now is putting some semolina on it. This will keep it from sticking when I put it on the peel. We're just going to kind of work that dough. It doesn't take much. I'm just kind of taking my time, using the different techniques, practicing, trying different stuff, seeing if what works. There's many methods to stretch out the dough.
I don't know if it's the bottom or the top.
This is pretty much good to go. We have some fresh tomato sauce. We had some peeled tomato, canned peeled tomatoes. And we just kind of put that in the blender and just kind of pulsed it. Put some salt, some oregano, a little bit of oil. We have fresh mozzarella cheese. So I shredded this. This typically it melts really good and it tastes better than just the bagged mozzarella cheese, so we've been doing that lately. That's kind of our go-to. But yeah, just sprinkle that cheese on. I'm using this new mat and it's pretty grippy. So this pizza actually got on pretty good, but if that mat wasn't there, the pizza peel slides a little better and the pizza will slide right on. But just kind of stretching it, working it. This is about 12 inches. It's going to fit right into the Gozney Roccbox. I have this fired up to like 1,000 or 900 degrees. It's going to take about a minute. Usually I let it sit for about 20 to 30 seconds and I do a rotation right there. The stone's a little messy from one of the last times I cooked it. I haven't burned it off yet, but this pizza's still going to cook and be great. Just doing a 180 rotation, then just kind of looking at the crust and seeing where it needs to be browned a little more. This pizza's for the kids, so I try to keep it, the crust kind of browned, not too much char. They don't like that as much. I prefer it actually. But just kind of keep on doing those rotations, just make sure it's evenly cooked. And then it's done. Look at that. It looks delicious. We're going to let it rest for, a few minutes. Let it cool down. And we're going to slice into it. And there you have it. A nice cheese pizza that we made in our backyard. I can't believe how delicious these pizzas turn out. And there you have it. Please like and subscribe.